Chapter number 13, Other Useful Free Tools and Services. In this chapter, we discuss about the Archive Manager, VLC Media Player, Google Map, Character Map, R Environment Software, and Skype. First of all, start with data compression. What is data compression? Computer scientists have developed technique to place a whole directory structure into a single file for convenience. Such file is called an archive file. They also have to develop a number of techniques for reducing the storage requirement of the computer files and directory structure. Why should we use data compression? A modern computer has lakhs of files on them. Often one needs to transfer a large file or entire directory structure from one computer to another computer or another storage device. When one wants to transfer file to another computer or storage device, the amount of data to be transferred or stored become concern. Both computer network and external storage device are usually not as fast as internal component of computer. Thus, for transferring large amount of data can take more time. If the internet is used for such transfer, more time may be taken in transfer due to slow internet speed. Also, such transfer put load on usually clogged internet connection. So, for this reason, we use data compression technique. Now, students, over here I am showing you how to data compress and extract. See, this is the archive file. In that file, I am compressed two files into one file. If you can extract or open it, then right click on that file and click on open. See, these two files are compressed file. Clear? I again repeat it. This is the archive file and this is the compressed file. I am taking two files in that, and if you send this file over internet, it can be sent within a few moments over internet. So for this reason, compress or data compress technique is useful for computers. Then the next topic is Archive Manager. Archive Manager as shown in figure C, we have to discuss earlier. Permit us to combine many files or an entire directory tree into a single file known as archive. On Linux system, we can also use this. In Windows system is the most common archive format. It also provides the facility of compressing the archive to reduce the file size. Archive Manager is useful for reducing the file size. It supports multiple compression algorithm and compressed file format. The most common compressed file format are zip file format and TARGZ file format. While the zip file format supports storing the multiple file into a single zip file. On Linux or Ubuntu system, the common practice is to combine the files into a single uncompressed file in the tar format and then compress the file in zip file format using gzip that we discussed earlier. Such file has extension tar.gz, that is tar.gz, and it is called tarball. This tarball is very common format during the software or bundle the files into a Linux platform or in Windows platform. The zip format is also used by the different application under different name. For example, JAR files in Java, that is Java programming, and the OpenOffice.org Office Suite format file use zip compression. Archive Manager using the extension part of the file name to identify the file format when opening an archive and to select the file format Students, the next topic is the VLC media player. We have discussed earlier that Ubuntu comes with built-in tools to play multimedia content like audio, video, etc. However, another great open source tool called VLC, the full form of VLC is Video LAN Client. I again repeated, the full form of VLC is Video LAN Client, that is media player shown in figure 13.3. This is also useful for extremely popular because if its versatility and features. Now let's open one video with the help of VLC media player. This is the VLC media player screen. If you want to open the video file, students click on media, click on open file. On the desktop, I have to choose standard 12 computer chapter 2 file. See, this is the video file that I am opening.
Let us start with chapter number 2
VLC media player.
for the standard 12.
Here,
the name of that chapter is.
Now student, the next topic is Google Map. Google Map shown in figure 13.4 is free internet based service provided by the Google search engine or Incorporation Limited. Google has over a period of year collected extensive map data for the whole earth through the various means like satellite imagery, car with cameras mounted on them, data purchased from the organization and data provided by millions of individual users around the world. Google Map allows anybody to edit the map and identify the landmarks or building, etc. It also uses to upload photographs of the place and post review of the place. The service is also heavily used on mobile devices like smartphone and tablets. See, this is the Google Maps services. The services can be accessed from the web browser by opening the website www.google.co.in and selecting the map option from the top menu, or directly entering the URL http maps.google.co.in. On mobile phones, students, the service may be accessed from the mobile phone's web browser as well as from the Google Map application. When access the service first, try to know our current location. On the PC, a rough idea of the user location can be obtained from the user internet connection. See, this is the Google Map. Clear, students? Now, the Google Map shows the satellite image of the area. See, students? And this is the finding the direction using Google Map from one place to another place. Now the next topic is character map. Character map program shown in figure 13.7 used to enter the Unicode character into any application. We first select the script from the left hand pane and then double click character to insert them into the text to copy area given below. Space and punctuation may be entered from the keyboard directly into the after clicking in it. Combining characters like long to, that is question mark in Gujarati, can be entered and combined with the corresponding consonant appropriately. See, this is the character map. With the help of this character map, you can select the language Gujarati. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the different characters on the screen. This is the character map program. Now the next topic is R software. R software is a GNU project. It is widely used for the statistical analysis. Students, R software is useful for statistical analysis. It has also own scripting language. It is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means we can type the same command that we used in the R software. R software has two work environments, namely command line, and the second one is graphical. We can work with R software with two mode. The first mode is command line where we can type only the command, and the second one is with the help of graphical. Graphical means we can insert different types of graphs. To use in GUI environment, it has also installed with graphic editor like R Commander or R Studio from the Ubuntu Software Center. See, this is the R software command prompt. The R software uses hash as a comment marker. Just like in its Linux shell, any text following hash up to the end line, it is treated as comment line. Students, comment line is that line that cannot be included in your program. Comment line is useful for giving the information about the program. Number and string are the basic data types. String may be enclosed in single quotes or double quotes in R software. Common operations and functions are available just like other programming language. For example, student, for addition we have to use plus sign. For subtraction we have to use dash. Then for multiplication we use asterisk. And for division we have to use slash, forward slash. Now here the symbol greater than shows the prompt of the R. The statement A, then arrow, then 10. It defines that the A is the variable and we have to assign the value 10 for the variable A. Means A10 statement indicates that the value of A is equal to 10. Again over here B arrow 20 means B is equal to 20. Students, A arrow 10 means A is equal to 10. B O arrow 20 is equal to, that means B is equal to 20. Now some common R commands included Q, open and close the round bracket for quitting R software, help for accessing the online help, demo for viewing some demonstration, and help.starts to open the online help in the browser. Now student, we can give a series, that is the consecutive series, that is 1 to 5. For example, over here 1 is to 5, that is same as C, then bracket 1 2 3 4 5. We can write 1 is to 5, that is consecutive number, in this way in our software. Now students, same way we can plot the different graph with the help of our software. See, a bar chart produced in R. Same way histogram can also be produced with the help of R software. Now student, the next topic is rational plan. Why should we use rational plan? People working in different areas like construction, engineering, services and consulting, business or software development usually work on the project that is having constraint of time, resource and budget. Any delay in the completion of project increasing the cost of project. At some point of time, manage this kind of project, we need to prepare, maintain and follow a well-defined plan. Such plan helps us to complete the project as scheduled on time and within the budget. So students, rational plan is one such open source software that designed to assist the project manager in preparing, maintaining and following a well-defined project plan. It assists the project manager throughout project. Rational plan comprise the three different desktop. First one is products, namely rational plan, single, multi and viewer. Rational plan single allows you to manage the independent project that do not have common resources and has no interrelation between the different projects. That is for single project. It allows the manager to associate the general project information like name, notes, link, assumption and constraint or risk. It allows the creating, editing and deletion, calendar, building the schemes or schedules. Once the resources are created, we can assign the task to them. Clear? And then generate the printable report for the rational plan single. Now second one is rational plan multi allows us to manage project that shares company resources across the project. It also manages independencies between the project. It also includes the features of rational plan single project. Further, it calculates the resources like work, cost, over allocation, considering their assignment in all projects. Now, rational plan viewer as an additional tool developed to share the project in original file format, that is .xrp. But it can be used as well as to open the Microsoft project files. It is useful to anybody who needs to check and overview the project evaluation without making changes to the schedule, and for the resources to see the assignments. Though as today the support of rational plan on Ubuntu 10.04 has been removed, it is available for Ubuntu 12.04 and later version. The next topic is Skype. You must have used the various instant messaging services like Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk or Rediffball. We use them for the real-time chatting with text, audio, video facilities. Skype is the facilities with help of that you can chatting with your friends with the help of text, audio and video. The Skype services allows user to communicate with peer using voice, means from your way to your friend way, as well as video call or and text. We can use Skype to place phone calls recipient on the traditional telephone network also. To calls, the landline telephone or mobile phones are charged via debit based user account system, while calls to the other user system with Skype service are free of charge. Now students see the Skype screen. Here first tab is Skype, second one is tools and third one is help. Over here we can type the Skype name and its related password, and if you sign in then automatically you can connect with your friend on Skype. Thank you students.